Between 1988 and 1991, BREL constructed a total of 117 4-car Class 321 EMUs, with many still being operated by Greater Anglia today. The success of the rolling stock led to the development of the Class 320 and 322, and some of GA's withdrawn units will even be converted to hydrogen multiple units by Alstom. British Rail Engineering Limited built the electric multiple units in York and did so in 3 batches for the 3 subclasses they worked on, the first of which was the 321 Mark III. Network South East placed an order for 46 units in September 1987, and another 20 units were built after they were first unveiled a year after. Following this, a batch of 30 321 Mark IV EMUs were ordered in October of 1988, with an order for an additional 18 taking place after. These ended up on the West Coast Main Line to operate outer suburban services, and a few have been converted to Class 320 Mark IVs or stored. Finally, regional railways had 3 Class 321 Mark IXs constructed for them, with a slight difference being that they didn't have any first class compartments. Today, Greater Anglia are the sole operators of the remaining Class 321s. They are responsible for serving the busy commuter routes across the network and are due to be replaced by Bombardier's Class 720 Aventras trains as a part of Greater Anglia's programme to replace their rolling stock. Alstom and Eversholt Rail plan to convert some of Greater Anglia's withdrawn Class 321 units to HMUs, hydrogen multiple units under the name of BRELs. They are to be Class 600 units and their rollout is targeted for 2024. Eversholt Rail has also been involved in the Class 321 Renatus project, where they refurbished a total of 30 Class 321 Mark IIIs for Greater Anglia. They implemented air conditioning, Wi-Fi, a new first class compartment, plug sockets, and accessible toilets amongst the other new changes. The Class 321s have a 3+2 seating arrangement, fitting of the commuter routes they operate closer to London. Their aforementioned replacements are due in service imminently, with the final tests being conducted on many of the units. The brand new British-built Class 720s from Bombardier will start running between London Liverpool Street and Southend Victoria, and will extend across the rest of the network over the coming months. I'll be making a video on the Aventras, so make sure to stick around for that. This has been a quick overview of the Class 321, I've been Seb, and thank you for watching To The Trains.